VoiceOver, message stuck on sending in Telegram? In the next 60 seconds, let's quickly fix it. VoiceOver, first, check your internet. If Wi-Fi is weak, switch to mobile data or move closer to the router. VoiceOver, on Android or iOS, open Settings, toggle airplane mode on, then off. This often refreshes your connection. VoiceOver, next, test other apps like a browser or YouTube. If they're also slow, it's a network issue, not Telegram. VoiceOver, if only Telegram is failing, check if Telegram is down using a status website or social media search. VoiceOver, when Telegram servers are down, you just have to wait until service is restored. VoiceOver, now, let's fix issues directly in the Telegram app. VoiceOver, open the chat, tap the three dots or menu, and confirm you're not blocked or restricted. VoiceOver, try resending the message, long press it, tap resend or just retype and send again. VoiceOver, clear Telegram cache, settings, data and storage, then clear cache. This won't delete your chats. VoiceOver, if it still fails, update Telegram from the App Store or Google Play, then restart your phone. VoiceOver, after these steps, your Telegram messages should send smoothly again.